In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do URL redirects in Wix, full 2026 guide. If you've changed a page URL or reorganized your site, setting up redirects is essential. A redirect automatically sends visitors and search engines from an old link to a new destination. This preserves your traffic, prevents broken links, and protects your SEO so rankings and backlinks continue to work. We'll start inside your Wix dashboard. Make sure you've selected the correct website so you're editing the right place. In the left-hand panel, click Marketing. From there, choose SEO. Depending on your account, you might see it labeled as SEO and Geo or Data SEO. Open the URL Redirect Manager. This is your central hub to review any existing redirects and to create new ones when structure changes happen. Now let's create a new redirect. Click the Create New Redirect button to open the form. In the source field, enter the old URL path, the part that comes after your domain, such as /old-page. You typically don't need to include the full domain name here. In the destination field, paste the exact URL where you want people to land. This can be another page on your Wix site or an external link if you've moved content elsewhere. Double check the destination to make sure it loads correctly. A few best practices will keep things clean and search friendly. Be precise with the full path, including capitalization and trailing slashes. Even small mismatches can cause a redirect not to trigger. When you've moved content for good, select a permanent, also known as a 301 redirect. That signals to search engines that the change is final and helps consolidate ranking signals. If you're merging several older pages into one new page, create a separate redirect for every old path so no traffic gets lost. And avoid redirect loops. Never point a new URL back to an old one or the page won't load. When everything looks good, save your settings to apply the redirect immediately. After saving, it's a good idea to paste the old URL into your browser to confirm it sends you to the new destination. If you spot a typo or need to adjust a path, you can return to the URL Redirect Manager at any time to edit or remove entries as your site evolves. That's it. Simple, reliable, and SEO safe. With these steps, your visitors and search engines will always find the right page, even when your site structure changes.